leadership coaches emphasize so much on being a leader? Who is a leader? And what is leadership? Everyone knows what leadership is, but few can articulate what it truly means. Most people think of a leader as a person with particular designation, politicians or heads of an organization. They are leader, no doubt about it. However, they will need to redefine certain attributes and competencies to lead and sustain in new normal. Leadership is all about development and growth. Leading in new normal will require evolving how you lead. The new normal leadership needed to discover, explore, and master 7x foundational competencies which even I practice myself. These are: number 1, being strategic and visionary. 2, problem solving and ability to manage change. 3, action oriented and result driven. 4, building effective teams and ability to motivate them. 5, integrity and trust. 6, skills development. And most importantly, number 7 is communicating effectively, because mastering communication is the key to lead and sustain in new normal. Being a sales leader and strategic sales trainer myself, I always believed in leading by example and result-driven leadership. In my tenure working for 20 years in corporate world, I have experienced various types of leaderships. And later, I myself worked on leadership positions. Sometimes it used to be very challenging to lead the team and as well as achieve the monthly, quarterly, and yearly budget to keep the ball rolling. I perform my duty with help of discipline, self-discipline, and self-leadership. A leader must be self-leader before leading others. Self-leadership is all about leading oneself. A person can lead himself or herself, can lead anyone. But a person who cannot lead himself or herself cannot lead anyone. I have explained self-leadership briefly in my first authored book. This is how you upscale yourself, your earnings, and be a powerful influencer. COVID-19 has impacted every industry, institution, and organization. Virtual workshops and online discussions have set a new expectation, and there will be paradigm shift in the job market. I am getting messages from industry colleagues who are now out of a job and looking for alternates. Yes, these are very difficult times for all of us. Everyone is trying to save something or the other. And in times like this, I immediately can't help them, but I acknowledge all of them, whoever is reaching out to me. I simply tell them, don't lose hope. Rearrange your lives for the next few months. Dip into your savings and continue believing in yourself. Being able to be flexible, empathetic, and adaptive now, it will become one of the top skills needed to lead and sustain in new normal. As leadership coach Marshall Goldsmith says, what got you here won't get you there. I feel COVID-19 situation has pushed all of us more deeper into VUCA world. VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. VUCA proves that business operating in normal environment have changed, and also raises the question whether leadership has changed with it or not. Leadership is going to become more than ever a team sport. A team's ability to become more adaptive requires not just individual change but collective and coordinated change. Remember, a strong leadership can make and an average leadership can break. Therefore, today's leaders have to take a crucial step for developing future leaders and maintain unity. Leaders are made, they are not born. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Thank you. Thank you very much.